Now I want to introduce our next poet, our poeta. She's the center of our oyster. Back from Morocco, kicking up salt spray, our Venus de Milo with a healthy dose of melanin. She's our Sarah Pearl.
The storm tried to sand my skin. It breaks up sky, mountain high, the heat rolls in like a marble. Insignificant but nostalgic, it carries a ghost. Their skin is near mine like jasmine, straining my throat, Arabic mixed tears. Purest water is from eyes, so drink tears. Couscous has seasoning sand, a bit of saffron, a sprig of jasmine. Beside that, bread stacked in a mountain, hunger trails of surly, ungracious ghost. Broke the dish I carried, it was not marble. Shame baked into their anger like marble cake. Stupid American girl, but she's Muslim. Tears, ebon in memory. Islam is my ghost. Abandon that, but persistent sand wears down a vast mountain. Quran pages are white like jasmine. Sweet lingering stench, that jasmine mixes with third world sewage. Marble it with a pile of old carpets. Lie in a mountain of trash. Fire, put it out with tears. Set tears into my nostrils. There is more sand. I add my misgivings to the fire. But the ghost can add nothing to what burns. It is a ghost, a permanently painful memory. Jasmine in my mom's hijab is the sand corrosive to my need to leave. But still, marble in Morocco has fossils in it. Hardened tears and ancient bone build a tourist money mountain. Allah Maghrib Malik, says the mountain. Death by treason made a ghost. He fell without emotion like fake tears. King wanted to set press their jasmine-colored skeletons in their marble. I left warm from the word storm and sand. Perfume is tears, a luxury. Their tea is mint, not jasmine, or black with a mountain of sugar slipped in like the ghost. It rests like water on marble, but dried up with desert sand.